Hello, happy Sunday. I am working on stuff around the house, and one of the projects on my list that's been on my list for a very long time is to make a roller bottle with a scar blend that was actually created by Keeli at Essentially Obsessed. So I'm completely stealing her recipe, but she has had really good results with using it on a scar from where they removed some skin cancer cells off of her lip. So if you're interested, she's got a whole highlight on it, how to make it with all of her pictures and her history, but I wanted to make it up. I've got some a lot older scars and just any other skin things that go on that this would be a really good blend for. And so I am going to make it with you guys if you are interested. It takes 5 essential oils, so if you don't have all of them, make sure you order them in June with the 200 PV, and then you'll be able to get all those other free items with it. So it takes Yarrow Palm, the new wonderful skin miracle oil, Helichrysum or Helichrysum, however you like to pronounce them. This is like liquid stitches, okay? Like bandage in a bottle, best thing to stop like a nosebleed. Turn to Helichrysum. It uses frankincense, which is really good for inflammation. Sandalwood, you can use either Hawaiian sandalwood or the Indian sandalwood. The Hawaiian's a little sweeter, and it's the one I have. I don't have the other one, so I'll be using the Hawaiian sandalwood. And then Myrrh. Myrrh is also an amazing oil for skin, really rejuvenating. So it is using those 5 oils, amazing oils for skin and skin support, and it's a super easy recipe. So we're gonna start with Yarrow Palm, and that is the Yarrow essential oil and pomegranate seed oil. And I already have my Yarrow in a dropper, but you're just gonna do 15 drops. Okay, I love the blue color. It's so pretty. Typically, I like add this to my moisturizer, or I'll just do it straight in the evening all over my entire face. So the roller will really help like do that and not use so much oil. And then we're going to do 10 drops of the Helichrysum. And I can't talk and count at the same time, so I can't really do anything and count at the same time. Like if I'm swimming laps, I can't swim and count how many laps I've swam in the same time. Then we're going to do 10 drops of frankincense. Almost out. We're going to do 10 drops of the sandalwood. So some of these oils are a little thicker, which is why they take a lot longer to come out of the bottle. And then we're gonna do 10 drops of Myrrh. So it's 15 drops of Yarrow Palm and then 10 drops of all of the rest of the oils. And Myrrh is one of those that gets really sappy and saturated. If that happens, you can just add some coconut oil on the orifice. These oils all act as they naturally do, so just getting like crummy and dirty like that is completely normal for your Myrrh. Okay, so those are the 5 oils that I've already added in here, and you can give it a little shake if you want. And then I'm going to top it with fractionated coconut oil. You can use this kind off of Amazon. It's just a organic therapeutic grade, I don't know, oil that I get in a bigger bottle, or you can always use doTERRA's fractionated coconut oil. This is really good as well. I just don't have a lot of that, so I'm gonna use this one. Plus this has a convenient little pump top on it, so it makes it a lot easier to not make such a mess when you're making rollers. And if you have the doTERRA fractionated coconut oil, you can actually buy a pump top for it in the back office. In the same place you can buy the roller bottles. They're in the DIY accessories section, I think. And so you can get your roller bottles, you can get the pump top, everything. All of this is from doTERRA. You don't even have to go to another company. And then you just put in the roller bottle insert. And you can screw on the cap. And you can give it a little shake. Now, if you have like a label maker or you have a really cute label you bought off like Etsy or something like that, you can put that on here. Or what I typically will do for my blends is I just take cap stickers. Not those are from some other company. I just get pages of cap stickers from doTERRA. They're like 50 cents or like 25 cents if you buy them after convention when the new ones come out. You can get them on sale. And so I will just take this and I sticker down the side of the bottle so I know what oils are in the blend. So that is something I'm going to do right now. But other than that, this is a really good scar blend. And then when you want to use it, you can just apply it on the areas. I've got like acne going on and some scars, all the things. And so I'll just be rolling it all over, and makes it super convenient to use every single day. You don't have to get your hands all oily, and you can put it wherever you want to. So check that out. Check out Keeli at Essentially Obsessed if you need more information. Thanks.